If you have blood type B and would like to reduce your likelihood of insulin resistance, hypothyroidism, leaky gut, sinus infections, UTIs, and depression by eating foods according to your blood type, then stay tuned because I provided a list of foods for you to eat and to avoid for optimal health. In a previous video, I referenced the book Eat Right for Your Type to explain how blood types evolved over the years, thousands of years, from type O to type A, B, and AB. I've also shared the food list for type O and type A. So you can go and watch those videos, and I have in the description or in the cards above. For blood type B, I explained that the optimal diet for that blood type is the closest to the probiotic diet, since it includes sauerkraut and kefir. The Candida diet is also close to the blood type B diet, since it also includes fermented and cultured food like kefir and sauerkraut, but also animal meat like turkey, and excludes wheat-gluten, which blood type B people should not eat. The added probiotic foods in these diets are beneficial for type Bs because it helps them to balance their gut microbiome. And this is important because type Bs have over 50,000 times more friendly gut bacteria than type Os and type A individuals. Dr. Diadamo says that B stands for balance, since the blood type B diet includes a fair amount of vegetables from the type A diet and a fair amount of meat from the type O diet. Therefore, we can say that type Bs are true omnivores, since they eat both meat and vegetables. So on a personal note, I did try the probiotic diet and the Candida diet because I was experiencing some issues with my gut with an overgrowth of Candida yeast called candidiasis. And I decided to do my own thing because my doctors weren't helping me and telling me what to eat, what is best for me to do. I just Googled some information. I did a lot of research and came to the conclusion that I should do the Candida diet. And that diet did mention to incorporate probiotics, that I need to build up my gut microbiome diversity. So I went and bought all these different types of probiotics, different brands. And I didn't really get the relief that I needed to get. I still was experiencing gut issues, gas and bloating, digestive problems. What did help though was cutting out the gluten and incorporating kefir. So kefir is fermented milk, and I was making that, drinking that every day with my smoothie, and it was helping a lot actually. However, I still was experiencing like a small amount of symptoms. So I knew that there was something else that I needed to incorporate, take out, and it was the milk, because it was, even though it was fermented, it was still dairy. And cow's milk is a food that blood type O's should avoid, which I'm blood type O. So since everything we eat affects our blood, causes a chemical reaction, we have to be careful to make sure that we're eating food that our individual blood type gene finds favorable, which means that our lectins like that food. And yes, we have lectins because we are living organisms, and our lectins choose a specific lectin in another food that we eat. So if we are eating food that does not match our blood type, and by way of blood type it does not match our lectins, then our lectins will signal to our immune system to destroy that food, like it's a foreign invader or like it's a virus or something, and that's going to cause us to be sick. So knowing the diets that are similar to the blood type B diet, there still are foods that blood type Bs should avoid that they probably don't realize and are kind of surprising. So I'm going to now share the list of foods that blood type Bs should eat and should not eat, and also a list that is neutral, that doesn't affect good or bad their health. So starting with the highly beneficial foods, if you're a type B, these foods should consist of a majority of your diet. Lamb, cod, cottage cheese, olive oil, walnuts, kidney beans, spelt, collard greens, pineapples, cranberry juice, parsley, blackstrap molasses. Now here's a neutral list. These are allowed sometimes but won't negatively affect your health. Beef, scallops, butter, cod liver oil, chia seeds, soybean, quinoa, horseradish, dates, almond milk, basil, agave. Lastly is the list of foods that you should avoid, and these are foods that you should eliminate from your diet altogether. Chicken, trout, blue cheese, avocado, cashews, black beans, rye flour, aloe vera, avocado, soy milk, black pepper, white pepper, stevia. So here are a few key takeaways from this video. Blood type Bs are the true omnivores, and they have a balanced diet of meat and veggies with some exceptions. They also are better suited for the probiotic diet since they have 50,000 times more microbiome diversity than the other blood types. Remember that to eat in partnership with your body and to improve your health, definitely eat food according to your blood type. If you would like a full list of the foods that blood type Bs should eat and should avoid, go ahead and click the link in my description so that you can grab your own copy of the book, Eat Right for Your Type. Now, your homework is to figure out what your blood type is, because you could be a type O spending a whole bunch of money on probiotics, and you don't even need all of those strains of probiotics in order to break down a steak. So definitely click the link in my description so you can grab your own at-home blood typing test kit. It's under $10. It's super easy to take. I provided a tutorial for you that I will link down in the description as well, and you get your results instantly. So definitely check that out so that you can be sure of what your identity is, your blood type. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.